Namaskar, my name is Darsh Mathur and today my science UDL topic is to tell about the role of physics in robotics. To understand this topic easily, I have made a presentation for all of us. Let's start. First, we will understand about the topics included in this presentation. First, introduction. Second, the key aspects of physics in robotics. Third, conclusion. First, we will start with the introduction of physics and how it's present in robotics. Physics is the main branch of science which is always telling us about the matters and the environmental studies and how we are interacting with them. Physics is very much helpful in robotics in telling about the design, planning its properties and algorithm of the robot. It is also guides us as a sensor and operations for the robots like the optics, electromagnetism and navigation. Now we will understand about the key aspects of physics in robotics. We all know that physics is serving us as the fundamental framework for always developing the robotic systems in various applications. There are only 9 types of key aspects in this. Let's brief out about each one of them. First, we will discuss about kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics is always telling us about the motion of robots without considering the forces which are caused by motion. It is always telling us about the study of the geometry of the robotic motions. Dynamics. We can say that the dynamics is a step further and an improved powers, which can be the forces and torques that can cause the motion. It also tells us about how they are interacting with the robotic mass and the inertia to produce the movement. The second one is control system. We can say that the physics is an integral in designing the control systems which are always telling and managing the behavior of robots. Now we can say about the feedback control. Nowadays, feedback is a main motive of an application of a robot, which are often based on the adjustment of the actions and the physical models in real times. The third one is the mechanical design. The mechanical design of robots is very heavily on the principles of physics, which are always telling the stability, strength, and efficiency. These are valid torque, leverage, and material properties. To understand the stress, strain, and the fatigue in the materials which are helping in selecting appropriate components that can withstand operational demands. The fourth one is the energy and power management. In this, the efficient energy is used in the critical in robotics. Physics principles help in designing power systems that provide sufficient energy while minimizing waste. Thermal power management is a very easy concept which are in all the areas where physics is applied to improve the robotic performance. Whereas in the rest of we are using the physics for doing the works in all of the robots. Now we will discuss about the sensors and actuators. Sensors are the main things which are always taking the information about its environment, which are based on various physical principles. For example, there are two main things, accelerometers and gyroscopes, which measure motion and the orientations. Actuators are the things which drive the robot's movement and rely on the physical laws to convert energy into the mechanical works with the help of the machines. To understand this, we can take the example of electric motors, hydraulics, and many more. Now we can see that the human has kept the machines in very complex environments, like in the space exploration, rescue missions, and many more. Physics can help to predict how robots will behave under many conditions of pressure, temperature, and gravity. Just like you can see in the image that there is a machine which is helping that people to keep something on the green box. There are various things which are coming and blocking its way, but it's trying in its complex environment to do its task successfully. Now we can see about the human-robot interactions. Physics is also playing a role in ensuring safe and very effective interaction between the human robots. This includes designing the robots which can also play safely and operate in close proximity. Understanding the human biomechanics. Now we will see about the machine learning and physics-based models. We can see that the machine learning are always increasingly used in the robotics. We can see in this image that the robot is always recognizing the formulas which are present in this image. I can say that the physics-based models can enhance the performance of the robots. They are always understanding which can improve the accuracy and reliability. Now the last topic is the soft robotics. In the emerging field of nowadays, there is an emergence of soft robotics. We can say that the physics is very essential for these robots. This knowledge is applied to create robots that can adapt to their surroundings. Now, in whole presentation, we have understood that the physics is an indissoluble part of robotics, which is always telling the theoretical and practical foundation. The principle of physics, robotics can create more efficient and reliable tasks. Physics serves as the fundamental framework for developing robots and effective robotic systems. Thank you everyone. Hope you all understand today's topic easily. and understood how easily the physics can help robotics. Have a nice day.